Today we are going to discuss find the value of this expression. This is a sum from exponents and power. You see, we have to determine the value of this. If 9 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 240 plus 9 to the power x. So the step is, first we are going to solve this expression and find out the value of x. Once we have got the value of x, we are going to apply it over here and find the final solution for this. So first let's start from this side. See, it is 9 to the power x plus 2. So whatever is variable, this is variable because there is x in it, and this is constant because there are no x, y, z, anything. That's why we are going to first take this to the other side. Okay. All the constants in one side of the equal to and all the variables on the other side. So this plus becomes minus 9 to the power x is equal to 240. After this, see, if we carefully observe this, we have already learned about this law of indices that if the our powers are added if the base is the same. That is a to the power n. If it is multiplied by a to the power n, it becomes a m plus n. That is, for the same base, the powers are added when we are doing multiplication. So over here also the same thing is done. If you compare this with this, it would mean the same thing. See, 9x plus 2, and over here this is a to the power n plus n, which means that the base is the same, that is 9. Base is the same and only the powers are different, so they are added. So this step we are going to solve and simplify it in simplified manner. I'll show you how. First of all, this particular thing we will split it and write it in this manner. 9 to the power x into 9 to the power 2, because that is why if this was given to us, we would have written this 9 because it's the same base and powers are added expression. So this is what was given to us and we have written it in this form. So once this is done, we are going to move to the next part of the question. That is minus, the next part will remain the same. So minus 9 to the power x is equal to 0. Now from this expression, see, this is multiplied by this. So we will take a common number and hence we are going to write, see, if we multiply this by this, therefore we are going to write things like this. That is 9 to the power x and multiply it by 9 square minus. If you multiply this with this, it will be 1 because 1 into 9 to the power x is 9 to the power x. So instead of this, we are writing 1 because we are taking this as common for both. That is, this common for this and this. Basically, what I mean to say is, we need to take things in common. Instead of writing one thing two times, multiplying it, we are taking it as 1. Now is equal to 240. Now 9 to the power x, 9 square becomes 81 minus 1 is equal to 240. 9 to the power x, 81 minus 1 is 80. Multiply it. Brackets and multiply mean the same thing, so I'm using multiply over here. Is equal to 240. In the next step, 9 to the power x is equal to, see, 240, and now 80 becomes this side because it's a constant now. So it was multiplied, so it will become divided. So do that. Now we're going to cancel it out. 8 into 3 is 24, so we've got 3. So we can write that 9 to the power x is equal to 3. We can also write it in this manner that 9 can be written as 3 square to the power whole to the power x is equal to 3. So therefore we can write that 3 2x is equal to 3. Which therefore this is possible when the power is 1. Therefore we can write, we'll take only this part. That is, see, we've got same 3 and 3 this side. The only thing that differs is here 2x and 1. So we will take it here. So 2x is equal to 1. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to, we'll take 2x means 2 into x. So bring it to the other side, so it will become divided by 2. So x is equal to half is what we will get. Now we are going to incorporate this in the question that we were given, that is 8x to the power x. So instead of this x, now we are going to use half. Let's do it. So it was given here in the question, that is 8x to the power x. So substitute 8 into half to the power half. Before we feel it's very complicated, it's simple. Simply cancel it out and write 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. And this within brackets and half. Within brackets means 2 power is multiplied. So cancel it out. It becomes, so the answer is, the value of x from here would be half, and whatever we were asked to determine, that is this answer for this is here.